All right, so this is a pretty common issue with the '07 to 13, yeah, Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, all them is the buttons. And I found on eBay a bunch of sellers that had them, but there's one seller that has these, and they're really, really reasonable. And I'll show you the trick that I do, because I repair these buttons a lot, because I sell a lot of these climate controls. So the trick that I do, or the reason I do this trick, is because a lot of times when you put these stickers on these buttons and you scrape all of the black off and then you put the button on, it still kind of shows through the sticker. And it's almost like just like you can tell it's a sticker. So what I do is I leave all of this stuff on here, and then I take a good Sharpie. This is before I put the sticker on. I have a fine Sharpie, so I can get like into little areas, say like this one right here. That one right there is not that bad, but I'm going to put a sticker on it because it's obviously wearing. And these stickers hold up really well. And I'm going to put a little black mark right there, and I'm still going to put a sticker on that. And I'll show you exactly how I do that. So first, like obviously this big one right here, the green needs to be covered because that's going to show through the sticker. And every different brand that I've bought is still always shows through the sticker. So, but if I put this black on here, I'll use the, just gotta be careful because you don't want to like go on the section where it would be white, because that kind of blocks the light going through. And let's see here. All right, so that should be good enough there. I'm going to use the fine one for up here on this one. Just take your time. There, here. Cover it. You could almost do that. I mean, you'll notice it, like if you just did the Sharpie, and it will wear off super fast. Right here on this one, I'll hit this edge with the black, and right there. When the buttons are really bad, also I notice when you take all of the black off, along the edge right here after you put the sticker on and then you light it up, you can see like a green around the top edge because the sticker obviously doesn't wrap around the side of the button. So that's all you got to do there for that. And then I'll show you the putting the stickers on. You just got to be really careful, line it up, take your time. I mean, these stickers are very reasonable. I think I only spent like $3 on this. I'll put a link below to these ones right here that I got, or the seller. I'll put a link to the seller because he seems to have them often. But this one has double, which is perfect for me. So then I take my razor blade. So we're going to start with this bottom one here. Just going to be super careful. They're pretty durable stickers. I like to wear gloves so I don't get oil from my fingers on the sticker. And just take your time, line up the edge right here, right there, line it up on the bottom, start from one side. There we go. Yeah, right there. And I'm gonna put a picture of it lit up after, so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'll see if I can find another picture of one where I took all the black off. And I'll show you the difference. That's that one. Go here, right there. And I don't do all of them, because the ones that are still good obviously look good. These still look good, but I don't want to do all of them if it's unnecessary. All right, so there's that one. I'll do the red heating up one here. Oh, these ones are always harder for some reason because I'm using my left hand. I always start at one side. Kind of move it over. There we go. There's that one. And then I'll do the blue down. The little one's kind of hard because it's so small. But they give you, the power button, they give you extras in case you mess up. Alright. Right there. Which I definitely have messed these up before. Alright, so there's that one. That looks wonderful. And what do I got left? The power button. I don't see no wear on any of the other ones. We'll grab the power button. Oh, good. The little centerpiece. That's one reason I grabbed the razor blade, because of that tiny little center one. Sometimes it doesn't come off. And I pop it out with the razor blade. This one's tough. This one's tough. All right. Oh, perfect. All right. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to hook this up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like with it lit up. And you'll still see, like you can see right there. See that? Where you can see like the other, like where I didn't scrape off the inside black. But I mean, that's minor. I'd rather see that little bit of impression there, right there, than green showing through the sticker. It looks way better, especially when lit up. All right, so there's that, and then I'm going to show you a picture of what it looks like after I test it here. Why are not clicking on here? There we go. Okay. So, I just gotta make sure I don't touch any wires together here. Right there. See that? The little up and down from the Sharpie, it was a little bit off, but the green is not showing through, which is cool. So what I'll do is I'll post a picture too of, I know I have a picture somewhere of what it looks like with the green showing through when I have done it before. But yeah, that's it right there. They're well worth it. Super cheap money. I'll put a link below to that. I'll put a link below to my store because I sell these climate controls as well. I test them, make sure they're all good, replace all the buttons and all that good stuff. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully this video helped. A little bit of a long video, but you just got to take your time with these things. That's all you got to do. Alrighty, thanks for watching.